Saitama is often valued at $0. The amount specifically is currently at $0, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The cost of Saitama generally has fallen by 0.62% in the previous 24 hours exceptionally as opposed to popular belief. Saitama certainly entered a volume generally remains at 11,877,790 and a genuinely significant manner the 9th of June, 2023. In this post, we will take you through Saitama have 2 cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now. And we will notably seek to answer these frequently by and large received clarification on certain important difficulties. What is the current cost assumption for the Saitama F2, especially since Saitama is primarily interested in an unobtrusive manner? Prior to delving really profound into the Saitama specialist analysis, let us first have a broad conversation regarding the very current economic problems. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours revealed a deterioration of 1.84, bringing the overall digital money market to $11069730658872 in an unobtrusive method. In a straightforward method, the total exchanging volume is 50,644,957 is worth $25 billion. Bitcoin has 46.63% of the part market, while Ethereum has a force of 16.33% in a generally huge way, which explicitly accomplished Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% sort of additional appearance punishment, before going pretty critical into the Saitama. Explicit appraisal genuinely drove us to discuss the kind of current monetary conditions in a huge way. Different elective automated financial principles as ETHEREUM all around has seen a value decrease of 0.41 coming to 1847.7 pennies amid the previous 24 hours, which all things considered is truly huge. While circling this blog, BNB exchanged at 262.39 following a value contrast of 1.18 inside a comparable stretch of time showing how market Coco's BCX came to 60 pennies immediately after. Seeing a rot of 0.77% in regard displaying that XRP the on a very basic level nearby coin of XRP most definitely is up by 1.93 and by trading at 53 pennies in a straightforward way. These events kind of show that the market unequivocally is going in a really plummeting bearing for pretty present second, so Bitcoin shares 46.63 of the passage market, while Ethereum kind of has a prevalence of in a fairly major way. A general genuinely unfortunate drop may be noticed all across the crypto market. CDM have 2 backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large or significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path exceptionally further appearance how which for the most part caused Bitcoin as cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decline of 0% truly further appearance. How yet before plunging kind of profanity support sort of is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become kind of more all things considered dynamic and generally keep the coin's cost from falling any further, demonstrating how the overall total exchanging volume for the most part stays at $25,050,644,957, which is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors explicitly become move execution of Saitama. Saitama has registered a downturn, shedding 0.62 in the most recent 24 hours, which is extremely important. The true current value of Saitama is explicitly $0. In contrast to popular belief, the overall market cap for Saitama is $71,947,243 USD, with a weekly change of 8%. The very in general market cap for Saitama basically is $71,947,243 USD, while the coin cost changes 8.06% throughout the week, or so they truly thought. We use in every practical sense relative strength index, moving extremely normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints. I'm moving exceptionally normal to basically break down the future development of the CDM F2, so Saitama's very intraday volume in every practical sense stays at 11.87790 in an unobtrusive way. The MACD line truly remains beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid generally further appearance. Saitama's 2-value examination, the price of Saitama examination for the 9th of June. 2023 within an essentially ordinary time span particularly made sense of down, demonstrating that the type of overall market cap for Saitama genuinely is $71,947,243 USD, while the coin cost changes 8.06% over the course of week in an unobtrusive manner. Saitama have two financial backers must fundamentally wait for any directional change on the kind of everyday diagram so that the MACD line consistently remains beneath the actually signal line following a hybrid kind of extra appearance. How the Saitama F2 value was investigated. Nation Saitama cost investigation for the 9th of June. 2023 inside a genuine day-to-day time span made sense of beneath, demonstrating that the truly generally market cap for Saitama for the most part is $71,947,243 USD, while the coin cost changes 8.06% over the course of the week, which truly is genuinely critical, while, say Thomas Williams %. Our pointer for the most part is at 68.196 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. The exchange in every practical sense signal is for the most part conceivable at this reach, demonstrating how we utilize sort of relative strength index moving particularly normal combination and uniqueness backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving particularly normal and outstanding moving. In every way that truly matters normal to truly examine the future development of Saddam Avenue, as Thomas Teague says. Technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. BTC hits a one-year high above $31,000 to start the weekend. Late on Friday night, the price of Bitcoin went over $31,000, which was the highest it had been in a year. After being mostly down at the beginning of the month, prices have risen by as much as 15% in the last week. Also, Ethereum went back above $1,900 for a short time. Bitcoin, BTC, bulls once again ruled the market, and late Friday night they pushed the price above the $31,000 level. As the day went on, BTC/USD went from a low of $29,927.28 to a high of $31,389.54 during the same session. This was the first time since June 6 of last year that the price of Bitcoin went above $31,400. Since hitting this high point, BTC has gone down a bit. And the relative strength index,